In the vibrant world of elementary school, children are constantly faced with choices, some good and others not so good. Picture this. On the playground, kids are laughing and playing soccer. But then, one child notices a classmate sitting alone. They have a decision to make. Invite this child to join in the fun or ignore them. Choosing kindness not only brightens someone's day, but also makes everyone feel included. Now, let's imagine another scene. A child sees a classmate struggling with their homework. They could step in, offer help, and show empathy, or they might choose to laugh and walk away. Good choices foster friendships, while poor decisions risk hurting feelings. Through social-emotional learning, kids discover the power their choices hold. By recognizing emotions and embracing kindness, they learn to navigate the complexities of life. Every decision they make shapes their world, so let's encourage them to choose wisely. Kids learn much more than just math and reading. They're discovering the powerful lessons of feelings and friendships. Meet Mia and Jake, two friends navigating this colorful journey. One sunny day, Mia decides to share her snack, lighting up the faces of her classmates with joy. Through her simple act of kindness, she teaches everyone the beauty of caring for one another. On the same playground, Jake finds himself feeling left out. In an attempt to fit in, he turns to teasing, his laughter echoing sharply, causing discomfort among his peers. But Mia notices this and realizes it's time to take action. She steps in, gently explaining to Jake that true happiness comes from kindness, not meanness. Together, they discover that by choosing kindness, they create a magical, safe space for everyone. Let's all strive to be like Mia, enriching our hearts and building a brighter school community, one act of kindness at a time. In today's world, understanding social and emotional learning is essential for our kids. Let's dive into the concepts of safe and unsafe interactions. Picture a bright classroom where friends gather, sharing ideas and laughter. This is a safe environment where every student feels valued and confident. But what happens when those feelings shift? When someone feels threatened or uncomfortable, recognizing these moments is crucial. Unsafe situations can arise from bullying or crossed boundaries, and it's important for children to know it's okay to speak up. Teaching them to identify and express their emotions nurtures resilience. Through engaging activities, we help them grasp trust and respect, expanding their emotional vocabulary. Let's inspire our children to create safe spaces together, places where every individual feels secure and accepted. By empowering them today, we are shaping the compassionate leaders of tomorrow.
Imagine a classroom buzzing with excitement. On one side, children are ready to learn, their hands shooting up eagerly, eyes gleaming with curiosity, excited to dive into new ideas and concepts. For them, learning is an adventure, and each moment is a chance to uncover the world around them. But then, there's another group. These kids, full of potential, seem distant and disengaged. Perhaps they're distracted or battling challenges that weigh heavily on their minds, making it tough to focus. Yet this is where the magic comes alive. Teachers and classmates extend a bridge of support and understanding, awakening that initial spark of curiosity. When kids feel encouraged and inspired, the classroom transforms into a vibrant hub of discovery where each child can truly shine and thrive.
In our minds, we often encounter two types of thoughts: helpful thoughts and unhelpful thoughts. Much like having two friends. Your helpful friend is always there, cheering you on, saying things like, "You can do this," or "Mistakes help you learn." These affirmations boost your confidence and inspire you to step outside your comfort zone. Now, let's talk about the unhelpful friend. This one sneaks in with whispers of doubt, saying, "You can't do it," or "You'll never be good enough." These negative thoughts can weigh you down, making you feel sad or afraid, and hindering your journey toward your dreams. So, how do we choose our helpful friend more often? It starts with awareness. Notice when those unhelpful thoughts arise. You can counter them with, "That's not true," replacing negativity with encouragement. Remember, it's perfectly okay to seek help and talk to someone when you're struggling. With practice, you can strengthen your helpful thoughts, leading to a brighter, more hopeful future.